Hello everyone, it's Olumayowa Victor Ogunshola from iDPS Consults Netherlands. iDPS means I diagnose and proffer solutions. I've got something very interesting for everyone today as I talk about blue ocean strategies and red ocean strategies. This is of course useful for entrepreneurs. After all, creativity plus innovation makes an entrepreneur. This is also useful for industry professionals, especially if you are a strategic thinker of your organization. For students around the world, especially when you study business management, also irrespective of what you study in the university, this video is also very useful for you. So today I talk about blue ocean strategies versus red ocean strategies. But before I go on, I'd like to give credit to the brains behind this beautiful concept. That's in the person of Professor Chan Kim and Professor Rene McBone. They did a lot of work and they helped to make a lot of findings about the blue ocean strategy as well as the red ocean strategies. A major challenge with CEOs or entrepreneurs these days is the question of how do I differentiate myself from competition? That tells us that there is huge competition out there. Tell me the business that you are into, and I'll tell you 100 other businesses into what you're doing right now. Also, there's the question, how do I stand out from competition out there? Consumers have so much choices than ever. That's because competitors are trooping in, if I could use that word, or entering the market space with the same idea. What then do you do as an entrepreneur? Or if you're already a large organization, what then do you do? This is why I will be explaining to us the concept of blue ocean strategy. However, before I explain the concept of blue ocean strategy, I'd like to inform us that the business universe consists of two business markets. That's the blue ocean strategy and the red ocean strategy. Wait a minute. Can you imagine that you operate in an environment that is filled with competition? So that product of yours or that service that you render is being rendered by so many other competitors or so many other organizations. That's red ocean strategy. There's loads of competition. There's loads of sharks in the ocean. Therefore, there is a lot of blood in the ocean. That's red ocean strategy. You struggle to make profit. You struggle to gain competitive advantage. That's red ocean strategy. Even when you say you are better than everyone else in the market space, how do consumers tell if this is true or not? Your competitors, the rivals are also saying they are better in the market space. That's red ocean strategy. What about blue ocean strategy? Think of a situation where you find an idea that is yet to be tapped, that is an idea that is untapped, and you are the first to bring this idea into the market space. That's blue ocean strategy. Let's think about perfect examples of blue ocean strategy. First example would be, let's think of taxis. Yeah, back in the days, we had taxis everywhere. So many taxi companies, they are all struggling for a slice of the market share. That's red ocean. There was a lot of competition for the taxis. They could even barely make profits. There were so many taxis to choose from. That's red ocean strategy. Bang, before we know what happened, there was Uber. Uber showed up, and that's blue ocean. Uber came to disrupt the marketplace. Uber made competition irrelevant in the taxi industry. Uber put a lot of taxi companies and drivers out of job, unfortunately. That's unfortunate. But when we talk about blue ocean strategy, it's simply combining low cost and innovation simultaneously. So with blue ocean strategy, you are able to dominate the market 100%, and possible you get 100% of the market share. Of course, as an entrepreneur or the CEO of your own business, you don't want to do the same thing just like every other business. Because when you're doing that, it's simply saying there's a lot of businesses, a lot of crowd, and you say, me too. I'm also here, me too. That's red ocean strategy, because it's just surviving. There's a lot of shark in the ocean. Like I said, it's red blood. It's very tough to make profit, talk less, gaining a competitive advantage. Okay, but there's also some entrepreneurs or CEOs who say we are in this business, but we are better than them. They could say we are better than them because our technology is better, or we got better teams, or we got better packaging, or we've been in the business longer than the others. That's also red ocean strategy, because you are doing what everyone is doing and you're barely surviving. However, there's a third there's a third explanation where, think about it. If you are the only person in the market space that does exactly what you do, that's blue ocean. Yeah, you dominate the market. You have 100% of the market share. Perhaps another example would be Nintendo. In 2006, Nintendo came up with the Nintendo Wii, and there was a lot of value innovation. Yeah, it was a game changer for the gaming industry. The Nintendo Wii, which was introduced to the market in 2006 by Nintendo, was a game changer, value innovation. That's another example of blue ocean strategy. So up to you, entrepreneurs, up to you, strategic thinkers of businesses. Are you thinking in the line of the red ocean strategy, where there's a lot of sharks already, full of blood in the ocean? Is that what you want? Or would you rather think strategically, think creatively, become very innovative, and look for an idea that is untapped within the market space, and then you can develop this idea and you can gain all the freeness? Imagine yourself in that blue ocean. There are no sharks, perhaps no other swimmers as well. It's free, it's cool, it's relaxed. That's where you want to find yourself. So please make your research and dig up more information or more knowledge about blue ocean strategies, and as an entrepreneur, put action on this. I hope that you find this video very useful. Of course, you know that I like to get feedback from you. So please, on our YouTube page, iDPS Consults Netherlands, please feel free to give this a thumbs up if you like it. If you think there's something I can do better, please drop your comments in the comments section. Also, feel free to visit our website, www.idpsconsults.com. Let's know how we can serve you better. At iDPS, we exist to educate the world. We also exist to diagnose problems and proffer solutions. This is where it comes to an end today, but you know that I will not go until I talk about my passion. And my passion is to see a developed Africa and to see a united Africa. Therefore, I say, are you an African anywhere in the world? Keep doing everything you can to promote African development, and keep doing all you can to see that Africa is united. Africa must develop. This is where it comes to an end now. Therefore, in English language, I say thank you very much. Dutch language from the Netherlands, I say thank you all. Yoruba language from Nigeria, West Africa, I say esheo. Bye.